We are moving right along with building out this new Dropship Beauty website. Now it's time to start really digging in to the homepage. This is definitely one of the most important pages on your whole entire website. So we got to make it look good. So let's first start and take a look at where we are today. So we already went over making these banners. We got the categories. These are all pre-set up within this template that I'm using. I'm using one of the new Shopify 2.0 templates. It's working out really good. I actually use the same template for our private label site. You can see how incredibly gorgeous this website looks. And we're going to do something similar for Dropship Beauty. We're going to have some consistency between the different brands. It's all under the same family. I'm actually going to probably switch all our Shopify stores over to this same theme so we can have a similar type look. It's going to be a lot of work, but at the end of the day, I think it's worth it, and I really like this theme. It's got a lot of good features. Okay, so first things first, popular categories. So we already have some of our categories built out. So let's go in here to the themes. We're going to click customize, and we're going to go over here. So popular categories, we're probably going to end up changing that name. We'll leave it for now. Now, one of the features this has is show section divider. So it's just a little design thing here. If you want that, that's fine. I think I'm going to keep it away from those lines and just keep it clean. So I don't have too many actual categories built out as of yet, but we can go ahead and start adding them. So collection, let's see. So we're going to hit select collection. Let's see the first one, because I know that's going to be crazy popular. You want to put probably your most popular categories here. I know lip gloss, edge control is just, we go through tons and tons of edge control. So I know that's going to be super popular. Let's see here. We can get into lashes. Now we have it broken down into different categories of lashes. Until we add, not edge control, let's do lace glue. Until we add a bunch of different products on here, which is going to happen over the next day or two, because I have a lot of people really like, Mikey, I need that site to be done because I'm trying to order all this stuff. So we're going to just pick some lashes. And this actually looks really good on mobile as well. So that's a huge plus. So I'm just going to fill out these collections. But what you can do is you can continue to add them. So I'm going to show you the faux mink lashes. Like if I wanted to add an additional collection, it starts going down here. Now on mobile, it's going to be a swipe situation. But on desktop, I have to be, in tune with how it looks on desktop as well. So I don't want to have an additional collection there. So I'm just going to go ahead and go back and remove that block. So that's going to add popular categories. Now we're going to go through and start building this part out here. But featured collections. So this would be a good one. What would look great is just the lip gloss. And we have so many more products to add to this. So it starts, it just starts building out the page with a lot of products. It's showing people what you have. Some more call to actions that we're going to build out here. Another featured collection. We can do lashes here. And this just makes it so it looks really good. Let's see. Let's do like the foaming lashes, super popular. That's for a 5-pack, by the way. Once again, enable swipe on mobile. That's definitely a feature you want. Let's go back up here, actually. Featured collection. So we already have that checked. And let's just double check on the collection list. If we have it here, nope. Okay, we're looking good. So you can already see within minutes, this is starting to really get built out well. And your theme might look a little bit different, and that's okay. One thing I do have to cut out, because I'm probably not going to have enough time to do it, is my blog posts in time. I will very soon have these blog posts set up, so it is pretty important to me. I think this is the footer promotions. So let's just go ahead and hide these. See, that's all you have to do is click that. I do want those because I do like those there. we're going to go back up here. Same thing from the journal. Actually, that was promotions. This is from the journal. I have that on private label. So if you go here, let's see, from the journal, just so you see what it looks like. So what it's doing is taking blog posts and posting them here, your latest blog posts and everything. And, you know, I always talk about on your website, you have to be, you know, it's very important to sell on your website, but you don't want to always be selling where it gets kind of annoying, where people are just like, yeah, all this website's doing is selling me. It's not educating me. And it's really important to get educated as well. So the blog posts, those are going to be coming soon. Let's see, popular brands. Now, this kind of thing, you don't have to put your logos here. You can get creative of different things that you want here. Maybe you do offer a bunch of different brands and you can put their logos there. This is kind of like a social proof thing. So if you are in press, you know, you can do that. So to give you an example of how you can be creative with these blocks, let me go back over to private label and I'll show you what we did here. So instead of having it, you know, the popular brands, this is visit our showrooms. And I think this is pretty eye-catching. And this shows, you know, all the different private label showrooms, which you should definitely check out a showroom if you're in the area. So I'm going to go ahead and hide this. I don't actually know if I'm going to have a use for this, so I might just remove it. So what you have to be careful of, you don't want to just hide everything. If you really don't think you're going to use it, I would go ahead and just delete the section. You can always go back and add a section right here. So there's tons of different other, other sections that you can add as well. And within your theme, you want to start becoming familiar with what these are. So, you know, if you don't know what an FAQ is going to look like, you might want to click it and see what it looks like. And then you can go here, FAQ, and then it starts, you know, popular questions people have. So you can go back, and if you're like, I don't really want an FAQ, but the key is for your homepage to play around with it a little bit, keep it consistent, keep it good looking. I'm going to continue to build this out a little bit, and then we're going to come back in the next episode, and I'm going to show you what I did and how I did it. But just remember, you're going to want to spend a decent amount of time on making your homepage clean, simple, easy to navigate. You don't want people to have to click around too much to get to their destination.